Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trim a video and Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the follow button, leave a like and drop a comment. So now let's begin. All we need to do now is to simply click on the plus button so we can start creating our new project. Simply, you would need to click or to choose any footage that you want to add into the editing panel or that you want to edit. So I'm just going to choose these two footages or two clips. We click on done and simply it will take us to the editing panel, and from here we will be able to start trimming, editing our video. Simply, you will need just to click on the clip that you want to trim. And from here, you will find this line or this white line that shows you where you want or where you want to start trimming or splitting your video. So after choosing the exact second, you will need to simply click on split, and now it will trim your video. Basically, you will have two separate videos of the same clip. You will be able to edit each one independently. For example, I'm going to add some filters to this one. So let's just make them very different. So I'm just going to add the fade one to this or this one. And I'm just going to save it. And let's just add this one. And for this one, we will need, or for the second one, we will need to have it more lively or more dark, whatever, so we can just see the difference. So I'm just going to add it and make it boost or whatever. And as you can see here, we will have these uh, differences that will be shown for these videos. Basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.